Yo, come check this out. Bro, let's go check out the Rolls. There she is, bro. 1969 Rolls-Royce. Here we go. All right, so today, what we got to do, we got it cranking, we got the fuel pump going, but we had a fuel leak and had to replace the fuel line. Realized that the gas tank's full of some old ass gas, so we have to pop the intake off, take the gas line off that we already put on, get a longer one, and start getting that old gas out. But do you have any Grey Poupon? So we got a Volkswagen fuel pump and fuel filter pumping this.
It's not getting hot, so it's nothing, you're not damaging anything.
Seen on eBay? Just these grills are going 2,500 bucks. Part out, coming to you. Who wants a Rolls-Royce grill for their truck? So I was thinking, this thing's got a 6.2. There's an LS that's a 6.2. Take the Rolls-Royce out, put an LSX up in here or something, throw a hoon handle, throw it sideways. I mean, I'm down to drift it. It wouldn't be the first one. There's one in Europe, it's right-hand drive. We're gonna check the brake reservoirs. This one, I'm gonna need like Conan.
Whoa! Whoa!
Come at me, bro. 1969, you ain't got on me. Mic drop, I'm done. Oh, I didn't see you there. I was too busy looking in the mirror in the back of this Rolls-Royce. Yeah, check this out. Cigars, ashtrays, lighters. Dog, only real bosses sit in the back. It actually got hot. Watch, blunt session, Chris and the Royce, coming soon. Okay, so the cooling system works. That's cool. The blowers work. Realistically, I haven't really found anything that doesn't work on this thing. So that's really cool. I wonder how that's gonna bite me in the ass. But we got some rat's nest issues. I already pulled that much out of there. And if you look around, there's a lot more in there. So here's to getting knuckle deep. So I just wanted to see if this ladder worked. It works also. And I was looking at these weird little switches over here. And check this out. What? Automatic seats, baby. Do you even 1969, bro? Might start breaking. I'm gonna stop touching it. But yeah, you get the point. So I'm just gonna go around. I noticed some moisture all the way around here after I filled it up. And just gonna tighten this up. This is what you do with old gas, everyone. Everyone says you gotta pay to dispose of it. I pay with the rev limiter, dog.
Yeah, I was telling him that it's really nice that it had a full tank because there's no rust gonna happen in there with the steel.
That's a good point. That's legit.
It might actually start other than that stuck linkage on the two SU carburetors.
SU carburetors. Take notes. Let me know what you think.
They take oil.
They take oil. Leave comments. Let me know what you think.
It's got a dipstick.
So we took 25 gallons out. The gas looked pretty old. It was definitely like orange or yellow. We got 5 gallons of new gas. We're about to throw it in there. The fuel pump was starting to hum real loud. That's how I know it was empty. The fuel gauge still says it's 3/4 of a tank full. So I'm guessing it's not working right. I guess we found something that's not working. Well, here we go. Looks like she took it all. Is that a screw? It goes into the bottom of this wire.
That's how they pick it nice.
If you have a flathead, that's how they had this. And then this screws it. Actually, this might be factory. Rolls-Royce, free people. So the distributor's not hooked up to power. So the whole time we're sitting there cranking, we're not getting spark because obviously there was no flathead screw in the coil wire, and that there was also no wire actually hooking it up to the vehicle, telling it to fire.
Fires, but I said, oh damn, it's good stuff.
Well, it runs.
You have fuel pressure, and you got compression, so it's running. It just that, you know, it's like having that shitty ass Weber on there.
You know, that's the ballast resistor or whatever they're using for that.
Yeah, we need to get a static light over here and start old school it, you know.
Yeah, that is. Those are SU carburetors.
2 SU carburetors and shit.
SUs.
I know the oil's too low.
That's a good one.
Old guys in your jokes, I don't know what they're talking about. Carburetor oil.
Wow.
Tim, do you have some brake cleaner?
Oh,
Spray?
you know.
Or something flammable?
Yeah, let me see. She runs.
It runs.
She runs.
Got 12 volts to it, you know.
Yeah. So now all you got to do is track down and see why you're not getting 12 volts there. I bet the accelerator pump's probably just resin clogged. Yeah.
I think it might be gone.
It might be gone. Yeah.
Well, I mean, you know, because
it's a rubber diaphragm.
it's a rubber
I'm assuming.
diaphragm. I'm assuming that the thing just went. It was like a, you know, just like a.
They don't last
it's,
long. Kicking it up.
So now, but see, the problem is it won't throttle up.
There's no, only runs on what you
there's
put
no
in.
throttling up. So
Yeah.
it's only running on whatever I dumped in there. I think it was a very productive day of getting it running and.
Your car's gonna be smelling old running for the rest of this tank of gas though. Well, end of day one, we got the car running. There's not 12 volts to the coil, so we can't get it to stay running, and the carburetors are pretty gummed up from 6 years of old gas, so the SUs are gonna have to come off. We're gonna have to go through the whole intake manifold and make sure everything's good, reseal it up real quick, and that should get this puppy running real nice. Besides the missing 12 volts. I gotta chase some wires. There was a rat's nest in there. Let's get this done.